Have you ever checked your bank account and seen a mysterious charge from Rocket Money? You're not alone. Tons of people have used Rocket Money, a service promising to save them from unnecessary subscriptions, only to find themselves questioning where their money's going. Now, before we jump to conclusions, let's rewind a bit. Maybe you, like many of us, signed up for a free trial of Rocket Money. They advertise a slick, automated system that scans your bills and cancels unwanted subscriptions. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the thing, free trials have a nasty habit of turning into paid subscriptions if you're not careful. So, why might Rocket Money be taking your money? There are a few reasons. Reason number 1, the sneaky sign-up. Remember that free trial we mentioned? Signing up for it often involves a multi-step process. You might be breezing through, eager to test the service, and miss a crucial detail, the one that automatically enrolls you in a paid subscription after the trial ends. It's a classic bait-and-switch tactic, and it can be frustratingly easy to fall for. Reason number 2, the hidden fees. Even if you manage to avoid the auto-renewal trap, Rocket Money might still be taking a cut. Their service comes with monthly fees, and depending on the plan you accidentally signed up for, these fees can vary. Reason number 3, the cancellation confusion. Let's say you caught the auto-renewal on time and decided to cancel before your trial ended. Great. But hold on, canceling Rocket Money's service can be a whole other adventure. Their website might not be the most user-friendly, and hidden menus or unclear instructions can leave you wondering if you actually canceled or not. Reason number 4, the accidental cancellations. Here's a twist. Some users report that Rocket Money has canceled legitimate subscriptions they wanted to keep. This can be a major headache, especially if it involves something essential like a gym membership or a streaming service you actually use. Alright, so what can you do? Here are some tips to avoid the Rocket Money mystery. Read the fine print. Don't just click next through the entire sign-up process. Take your time, read the terms and conditions, and understand what you're agreeing to before you hit that Start Free Trial button. Set calendar reminders. If you do decide to take the free trial plunge, set a reminder in your calendar a few days before the trial ends. This way, you have ample time to decide whether to cancel or continue with the paid service. Explore free alternatives. There are plenty of free budgeting apps and tools out there that can help you track subscriptions and identify areas to save. Know your cancellation options. Before signing up for any service, research their cancellation process. Make sure it's clear, straightforward, and doesn't involve navigating a labyrinth of menus. And finally, if you suspect Rocket Money has taken money from you unfairly, contact customer service, be persistent, document your interactions, and keep a record of everything. Dispute the charge. If customer service doesn't resolve the issue, you can dispute the charge with your bank. Remember, you have control over your money. Don't let free trials turn into unwanted expenses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.